Good morning student. Today we will start a new chapter name is arithmetic progression. So in this chapter we have to read three terms. First of all series, sequence and next one is your what do we mean by the progression. First of all come to the sequence. So what do we mean by the sequence? Sequence is an ordered arrangement of number according to the given rule. What I told? Sequence is an ordered number arrangement of number according to the given rule. Just like I am telling prime number. So can I write 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the what? Prime number. Dot 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 dot. Okay, so these are the what? About the prime number. If I want to write even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. These are the sequence of a even number. Can I write natural number also? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So sequence is following a certain rule that this one is a prime number, this one is even number, this one is natural number. After that, this one, if in the given sequence, what is the sequence given? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 is the sequence of a prime number. If I just written here plus symbols instead of this commas, if I written here plus symbols, then it become series. What? Then it become series. So what do you mean by the series? Series means the sum of the term of the sequence. What? Series means what? Series, the sum of the terms of the sequence, some of the terms of the sequence is called the series of the sequence. Series of the sequence. Okay. So what are the terms? So terms are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 are the terms. So what I written, the sum of the terms of the sequence is called as the series of the sequence. Series of the sequence. What do you mean by the progression? Progression. What do you mean by the progression? That is your topic. What do you mean by the progressions? Progression is a special type of a sequence where terms are related. Progression are the special type of a sequence where terms are related to each other. So look, the example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 is given. So this one is your sequence. If I added, that is your what? Series. He told that the special type of a sequence. This one is a special type of sequence where related to the what? Terms are related to each other. Here 2 and 3. When I added 1 to the 2, I am getting 3. When I added 3 plus 2, I am getting 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. Here terms are not related to each other. So this is not a progression. But I can say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the even number. This one is the even number sequence. But these terms are related to. When I added 2 to the first term, I will get 4. That is the second term. When I added 2 to the second term, I am getting 6. The third term. When I adding 2 to the third term, I am getting 8 as the fourth term. When I am adding 2 to the fourth term, I am getting fifth term. So here when I added 2 to next. When I added to this term, I am getting next term. So here terms are related, or you can say that the terms are differ by 2. What terms are differ by 2? So we can say that all the sequences are not progression, but all the progressions are sequence. But all the progression are sequence. Now come to the topic. So what I told about the progression. So progression, in the progression, what you written here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are the what? Terms. What you can say? These are the terms. What I will so this one is the first term. So first term means here you can represent this one A. So these terms are differ by how much? I told 2. What 2. So here A is equals to, you can write first term. Here how much difference is there? 2. So the common difference, or you can write D equals to also 2. So first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. If I written about the first term, can I write A1? A1 equals to A equals to 2. If I write to second term, A2 equals to, how can I write? A plus D. Because 2 plus 2 equal how much? 4. If I want to write A third term equals to A plus 2D equal to how much? 6. Yes or no? 2 plus 2 into 2 equal to 6. Yes or no? If I written A fourth, A plus what? 3D equals to what? 8. Like that you can find out the nth number term. Nth number term means what? An equals to what? A plus n minus 1 into D. Why I written n minus 1 here? Look, when I written first number A equals to 2, when I want to tell about the second number, only single D is added. When I told about the third number, only 2D is added, means 2D. So 3 minus 1 equal to how much? 2. So you added only 2D. When I told about fourth number term, that I added 3D. So like that, if I want to ask about nth number term, so what I have to add? N minus 1 into D, because here decreasing. If you are asking next term, then you have to minus 1 only. Okay. If I told you 8th number term, means what you have to do? A plus 7D you have to do. Clear? So this one is your formula. An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. But An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is the formula. So what do you have to know about here? First, you have to know about the first term. A, common difference is there or not, you have to see. D equals to getting, he asking about the 8th number term. You think 8th number term means what? A plus 7D. So what do you have to do? In this formula you can put A8. What? A8 equals to A plus n minus 1 means 7 minus 8 minus 1 into D equal to A equal to how much? 2 plus 7 into 2 equal to how much? 2 plus 14. 14 plus 2 equal to how much? 16. So in this progressions, 8th number term equal to 16. Let's you check out. How can you check? First, you know that. How can you check? 2, second term 4, third, fourth, fifth. 6th number term means what I have to get? 12. 7th number 14. 8th number 16. So you are getting 9th number is 16. So whenever a progression is given, first you check whether they are in AP or not. How can you check? First of all, you have to find out what difference A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, dot dot dot. How many terms are given? You find out. First you have to check. A2 minus A1 equal to how much? 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Then 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Then 8 minus 6 equal to also 2. So here you are getting all the difference are same. So you can say this one following the progression. Okay, so this one is in the progression. So what you can find out here? Here you find out first number is a equal to 2, and what is the difference you are getting here? D equal to 2. Then if he told in this sequence find the 8th number term, 11th number term, or the general term, or the nth term he given. So what the formula you have to put? A8 or A n equals to, what you can write? A n, or sometimes they can write Tn also. A n or Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What you can write? A plus n minus 1 into D. So when you have a whenever in a question given, find out the 5th number term, 6th number term, 7th number term, then you have to find out, put the formula A n equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Let's discuss about a small question. First, write down, if given in the 1, 3, 5, 7. What given? 1, 3, 5, 7. Dot dot dot. Okay. What he told? 1, 3, 5, 7. Dot dot dot. Whether this progression in AP or not, find out he told. So what you have to do? I told you first you subtract the terms. So this one is a term, this one is a term, this one is a term, this one is a term. First you subtract second term minus first term, third term minus second term, fourth term minus what? Third term. What are you getting? 2, 2, 2. So this one is happy because the terms are related to each other. Yes or no? It may be positive or it may be negative also it comes. So here how much coming here? D. D equal to how much? Common difference equals to, you are getting D equals to 2. Okay. A equal to how much? 1. If in this question he told you find out the 11th number term. What I told? 11th number term or T11, or you can write 11. So what the formula you have to use? I told you An equals to or Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. A equal to how much? A equal to, you know that A equal to how much? A equal to 1. N equal to how much? Which number term asking? That is the n. 11th term I am asking. So here n is a 11. 11 minus 1. D equal to how much you are getting? 2. So what do you have to write? 1 plus 11 minus 1 equal to how much? 10 into 2. So 10 2s are how much? 20 plus 1 equal to 21. So A equal to A 11th equal to how much? 21. In this question he given a another term is given. Find out another term means he told you general term. What is the term? General term or nth term. How can you find out? So if he told about the general term, you just put n equals to n only. So what you can find out? A n general term equal to how much? A plus n minus 1 into D is given. Yes or no? A equal to how much? 1. N equal to n minus 1. D equal to how much? 2. Because you are getting. So what is the answer? 1 plus 2n minus 2 equal to how much? 2n minus 1. Yes or no? So this one is your what? General term. What is given? General term. Certainly change in this question only. If I written dot 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 up to a limit I written, that is 23. What I told? 23. 1, 3, 2, 5, 7 dot 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 up to 23. How many terms are there? I want to ask you, how many terms are there? So how can you find out? This one is A. You are getting A. You are getting D. You know the formula of the An. But this one is what? Last term. So last term equals to, you can say last term equal to An equals to what? A plus n minus 1 into D. You have to just write. So here L equal to how much? Last number term. What I written here? 23. 23 equal to A equal to how much? 1. N equal to, I don't know, n minus 1 into D equal to how much? 2. So what? 1 plus 2n minus 2. So how much? 23. 23 here 2n minus 1 equal to how much? 24 equal to 2n. Therefore n equals to 24 by 2. How much? 12. So you are getting n equals to 23 equals to what? 12 number term. So here I told about 3 questions. I have given a sequence 1, 3, 5, 7 ... find out the what number term? 11th number term. Or first you check out this one is an LP or not. First, how can you check? You see the difference. Second, what I told, find out the 11th term. 11th term, how can you find out? You have the formula an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So you put that, just the formula. Before that, you remember one thing, you have to write a and d. So you are getting d equals to 2, a equals to 1. So n equal to how much? You don't know, but he told you find out the 11th number term. So 11th number term means n equal to, you put 11. Clear? So 1 plus 10 into 2 equals to, you are getting 21. So it is 11th number term. If we told about the what? General term of this sequence, this is not given. Of this sequence, find out the general term. General term means you just find out the nth term only. So how can you find out the nth term? Here a is given 1, d is given 2, n equal to, you have to put n. Here what I am asking? 11th term. Here general term. So general term means, remember, you have to put nth, only nth term. Okay, or n. So an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 1 plus n minus 1 into d equals to, you are getting 2n minus 1. Okay, so this is about what? General term. Next, what I told, if I have given that this progression has a limit. Limit means last term I written here 23. So last term means what you can say? Which number term? I don't know. I have to count or whatever I would do. So first of all, what I told, I written here d equal to 2, a equal to 1. Last number term means I can write an. An, what you are having the formula? A plus n minus 1 into d. So you can say L equal to also a plus n minus 1 into d. What? L equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So what the last number he told? 23. 23. A equal to how much? You know 1. N you don't know. D you know. So after solving, you are getting 12 numbers now. Clear? So this one is about your arithmetic progressions. Next, move on to what do you mean by the arithmetic mean. Okay. Before that arithmetic mean, I want to tell you, if I have to find out from the beginning what number term, I know. The formula is a plus n equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. If in a sequence it is given, find the fifth number term from the end. What I told, find the fifth number term from the end. If I given a sequence here, 2, 4, 6, 8, ... 32 is the sequence I given. What I told, find the fifth number term from the end. What? From the end. I told you already this one is an arithmetic progression. So no need to check all the terms are, all the difference are same or not. You just write first term equal to how much? A equal to 2. Okay. D equal to how much? 4 minus 2 equals to 2. Yes or no? At the end, what is given? 32. 32 is what your term? L equal to 32. Yes or no? In the question, what is given? In the question, he told, find the fifth number term from the end. What I told? Find the fifth number term from the end. So, what do you have to put? The formula is here. When you are finding the last number from the last term, then you just write an equals to L minus n minus 1 into d. Instead of a, you are putting L, and this symbol, plus symbol is there in the formula, but you write just minus. So L equal to how much? 32 minus n minus 1. How many term I told? Which term I told? Fifth number term. Which term? Fifth number term. So 5 minus 1 equal to how much? 5 minus 1, and d equal to how much? 2 you are getting. So 32 minus 4 into 2. So 32 minus 8 equal to how much? 24. So this one is the formula when he told you from the ending. Okay, from the end find the fifth term. So what you have to write? This is the process. What is the formula? An equal to L minus n minus 1 into D. This one is about your first term and last term. Okay. So we got here two formula. If from the beginning he asking any term, you have to write An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. If from the end he asking, you have to write An equal to L minus n minus 1 into D. Or you can say that this one Tn or this one is L also. Okay. So you remember this one An equal to L minus n minus 1 into D. From the end I told. Okay. Here from the beginning. Clear? So next is first he may be ask you how many 2 digits numbers are there. How many 2-digit numbers are there that are divisible by 3? What I told? How many 2-digit numbers are there that is divisible by 3? What I told, right? How many 2-digit numbers are there divisible by 3? So you have to find out. So first you think 2-digit number starting equal to how much? Starting is, you know that 2-digit number means 10. Ending equal to 99. Okay. What I told? That must be divisible by 3. So 10 is divisible by 3? No. Next 11? No. 12? Yes. So first number equal to what? Your 12. Next equal to 13? Divisible by 3? No. 14? Not. Next 15. So here dot 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 dot. Last number term equal to how much? 99. But you know that 99 is divisible by 3. So 12, 15 dot 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 99 is the progression you are getting. So here A equal to how much? 12 first term. D equal to how much? Divisible by 3 told. So D equal to your 3. Yes or no? Last number equal to how much? L equal to 99. Yes or no? So what he told? He is not given here about the how many terms are there. That is, I am asking how many 2-digit numbers are there. So what do you have to do? I told you just before, L equal to what? You can write A plus n minus 1 into D. So you write just that one. L equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. L equal to how much? 99. A equal to how much? 12. N minus 1, just you write because you don't know the number. N minus 1 into D. D equal to how much? 3. Yes or no? So 99 minus 12 equal to n minus 1 into 3. So 99 minus 12 equal to 87. Equal to n minus 1 into 3. So when 3 come this side, then what will happen? Divide 87 divided by 3 equal to n minus 1. Equal to how much? 29 equal to n minus 1. Therefore n equal to 29 plus 1 equal to how much? 30. What are 30? So how many 2-digit numbers are there which is divisible by 3? Equal to 30 number. How you are getting? You know na? First you think about which starting 2-digit number is which one. First I told 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. Then I told 11. Then I told 12. But 12 is divisible by 3. Then 13 is not divisible. But 14 is not divisible. But 15 is divisible. Like that you can write. But shortly, how can you find out? This is the process. First you write 12, 15 and last number means 99. That is divisible by 3. So 99 I written here. Then I know that L is this one A and D equal to U3. So I am putting the formula and I am getting the answer. So this one is about your how can you find out the numbers if a certain term is given. Next is about your arithmetic mean. What I told? Arithmetic mean. So find the arithmetic mean between two numbers. When he told, you just put arithmetic mean equals to two number. If I given A plus B, sorry, A and B, then you can write A plus B divided by 2 is the arithmetic mean between what? A number, sorry, two number. if I told find 3 arithmetic mean between given terms. So what do you have to do? For the single number, you can write a equal to a plus b divided by 2. But I told 3 number you have to find out. So I written here 1. Okay. 2 numbers I am given 1 and next number is I given 5. Find the 3 arithmetic mean between 1 and 5. How can you find out? So first you just write 1 next term equal to how much? Second term, third term and fourth term. And this must be in AP. So I written here 1 first number, second number, third number, fourth number and fifth number is your 5. So this one is A equal to 1. This one T2 means what? A plus D. I can write here A plus 2D. Here A plus 3D. But here this one equal to how much term? Sorry, which term this one? This one is the fifth term. When I insert 3 terms, this one is become fifth number term. So can I write A plus 4D equals to how much? 5. I know the value of A. Yes or no? So just you put A 4D equals to 5. Therefore 4D equal to how much? 4. D equal to 1. So you got A. You know A and you are getting to D equal to how much? 1. So easily you can find out. A plus D equal to how much? A means 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Here A plus 2D means 1 plus 2 into 1 equal to 3. A plus 1 plus 3 into 1 equal to how much? 4. So 3 terms in an arithmetic progression equal to how much? 2, 3, 4. These are following rules. What the rules? Arithmetic progression, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is in arithmetic progression. Okay, so this one is about your what? Arithmetic mean. Next we are studying how you can find out the sum of the terms. What are sum of the terms? So sum of the terms, how can you find out the sum of the terms? So before that I want to tell you something. Just you add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and plus 5. So just you write here. So look here. You add 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4 plus 5. I know clearly that you can simply add and you can tell this is the answer is 15. If I tell you find the sum of 100 term, how can you find out? You have to do a very much calculation. So to avoid that calculation, we are having some rules in arithmetic progression, and how can you find out the sum of the term? I want to tell you. Just how can you get the what formula? I will tell you. First I am written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just I am simple taking. Okay, I can write as 5 means sum of the 5 number term. Okay, reversely you write as 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you know the addition, so you just add 2 of the sum of the fifth term equal to 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. But I want what? Only sum of the 5 terms. So how can you find out? As 5 equals to 6th into 5. Can I write? Yes or no? And this 2 become goes that side. So how much you are getting? 30 by 2 equals to 50. Yes or no? Think S5. Instead of 5, can I write N? Because here, how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can I write for the N number term? Okay. Here you are getting 6. 6 means what you are getting? 5 plus 1. Can I write 1 plus 5? Just simple. Into 5 by 2. 5 is what? How many terms are there? 5. So 1 plus 5 into n by 2. 1 is what? Your first number term. So can I write A? 5 is your what? Last number term. Can I write L? N by 2. Sn equals. So what is the formula you are getting? Sn equals to first term plus last term into n by 2. N equal to what? Your number of term. So Sn equal to A plus n into n by 2. You are getting if first term, last term is given. What? first term, last term is given. If in the series first term, last term is not given, how can you find out? Just what you have to do? Just you look at this formula. What you are getting here? Sn equals to A plus L into n by 2, or you can write n by 2 bracket A. L means what? L means in previous in terms, you know that L means A plus n minus 1 into D. Yes or no? So n by 2 equals to what the formula? 2A plus n minus 1 into D. What? Sn equal to n by 2 bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D. If we told what? About the number of terms, but last number is not given, then you can put this formula, or you can say this one is the general formula for the sum of the terms. Okay. Sometime he may be give you just 2, 4, 6, 8. Find the sum of 10 term. So how can you find out? So you write A equal to how much? 2. D equal to 2 also. What he told? Sum of the 10 number term. So n equal to here 10. So S10 equal to, you have to find out. So 10 by 2 bracket 2 into A, 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 means what? 10 minus 1 into D equal to how much? 2. So 10 by 2 equal to how much? 5. 2 to the 4 plus 9 into 2. 9 to the how much? 18. So 5, 4 plus 18. 18 plus 4 equal to how much? 22. So 5 into 22 equal to 110. How much? 110. So yes or no? 5 plus 10 by 2, 2 to the 4, 10 number, sum of the term now. Okay, yes or no? Take. So 5 into 22 equal to 110. You are getting sum of the 10th term. So the sum of the 10 terms of the AP equals to 110. Okay. Last but not least, I want to tell you another thing. If Sn is given, find out the 5th term. Sn means he told you Sn equals to n 2n plus 2n minus 1. So 2n plus 1 you can write. He told you sum of the number of term equal to Sn equal to 2n plus 1 is given. Find out the 5th term. How many term? 5th term. How can you find out? First you write S1 equal to how much? 2 into 1 plus 1 equal to how much? 2 plus 1 equals to 3. S2 equal to how much? 2 into 2 plus 1. Just I am putting, instead of n, I am just writing, okay, what? 2, 3, 1, I am just writing 2 to the 4 plus 1 equal to how much? 5. Then S3 I am writing 2 into 3 plus 1 equal to how much? 6 plus 1 equal to 7. So here first number term means sum of the only one term. S1 means sum of the first term. So here I can write this one A. Yes or no? Then this one equal to how much? A first term plus second term. Yes or no? So T1 plus T2, or first term plus second term equal to how much? 5. So can I get the second number term? So T1 equal to how much? 3. T2 equals to, I don't know, 5. So T2 equals to 5 minus 3 equal to how much? 2. Second term equal to how much? 2. What? Second term equals to 2. First term equal to 3. So what is the difference? So difference equals to D equals to 2 minus 3 equal to how much? Minus 1. Okay. So you are having A equal to 3, D equal to minus 1. Then you can find out 5th number term. Yes or no? So A equal to 3, D equal to minus 1. Then 5th number term, you can find out easily. T5th equal to A plus, okay, 4T can I write directly? Okay, A equal to how much? A equals to 3, 4 into minus 1 equal to how much? 3 minus 4 equal to minus 1. Okay, T5th equal to how much? Minus 1. So this one is about your chapter arithmetic progression. Just to see the example and solve the exercise.